Look closely at this shot. To get top-tier AI video quality like this, you'd usually be paying monthly subscription fees for premium tools. But recently, Shopify released an app called Tinker, and tucked inside it is free access to top-tier models like Veo, Seedance, and Kling. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a pipeline to generate unlimited high-quality B-roll and user-generated ad content, and you'll know how to pull those raw video files directly onto your local drive. Because Tinker is a mobile application, we need the right environment to run it. You'll need either a native Android device or a PC running an emulator like BlueStacks. Stripping away the cost barriers from these premium models changes how we scale content. Anyone can experiment with high-budget aesthetics without burning through expensive credit systems. An emulator acts as a bridge, letting your PC run Android apps natively. Start by setting one up. Once running, open the Google Play Store, type Tinker by Shopify, and select the app. Run the installation process and use any standard Gmail account to sign in and activate your profile. On the main dashboard, you'll see a massive list of built-in productivity tools. It includes everything from product name generators to virtual try-ons. Putting all these capabilities into a single mobile interface allows you to rapidly draft and test ideas, avoiding the friction of switching between multiple desktop applications and managing different logins. Step 1 in our pipeline is finding the core models. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the dashboard until you reach the free video generators, including Veo, Seedance, and Kling. Select the Google Veo model. In the primary text box, paste a highly descriptive prompt outlining your scene, lighting, and camera movement. Before you hit Generate, look for the Additional Settings menu. This is easy to miss, but it's where you define the aspect ratio to match your target platform. In that same menu, make sure the audio toggle is switched on. If you skip this, your final clip will render completely silent. Hit the Generate button. After a short processing time, the model will render a final clip directly matching your instructions. Getting a shot this polished used to require complex prompting across multiple paid platforms. Now it runs smoothly through a single interface. If you generate enough clips, you will eventually hit a limit reached error screen, blocking you from creating more until the next month. However, the app checks your quota based on the email address you logged in with, rather than tracking your device hardware or IP address. To bypass the restriction, open a temporary email service, generate a fresh address, log out of your current Tinker session, and sign back in. Clearing that artificial bottleneck is what allows high-volume creators to scale their testing and output without restriction. Let's move to a different tool. Go back to the main Start menu and select the Social Media Ad Generator. The logic here shifts away from standard text to video. Instead of a single scene description, this tool needs two distinct inputs to work. First, you write a prompt defining your physical product, what it is, how it looks, and its key selling points. Next, you need a second prompt defining the persona of the influencer reviewing that product, setting their tone and style. The model processes both inputs and outputs a complete user-generated ad, automatically matching the AI voiceover with the visual lip-syncing of the digital actor. By splitting the request into product and persona, this workflow compresses the logistics of hiring actors and booking sets into a simple text interface. With your clips generated, we have to get them off the platform. Native mobile users will find their files auto-saved, but emulator users have to navigate a hidden internal file structure. If you're on a PC emulator, head back to your home screen and open the folder labeled System Apps. Inside, click on the Magic Media application. This is the temporary gallery where your emulator stores all the media you just rendered. Select the videos you want to keep, open the Settings menu in the corner, and click Export to Windows. Those raw, high-quality MP4 files will now sit directly on your local hard drive, completely ready to be dropped straight into your video editing timeline. Connecting the emulator bridge, understanding the bypass logic, and extracting the files directly to your desktop turns a mobile testing app into a highly efficient content pipeline. Subscribe for more automation strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.